Today in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Meta Capital project to see if it looks legit or scam. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel once more. And if you are new here, consider subscribing and turn on the notification for more videos. I've been researching on this coin for up to 20 minutes or so, and I have some interesting things that I would like to share with you people for your interests. First of all, we have to head to the site. Alright guys, here we are in the Meta Capital site, and as you can see here, the site is extremely small. It's a WordPress site, a one-page WordPress site, except for the second page, which is the learn more over here. And I also discovered something on the white paper. We can see here I've been clicking on it, but it's not displaying anything. It's not redirecting to anywhere. The white paper isn't ready, which means it's like the site is not fully built. Now I still wonder why they will be releasing a coin which their sites or their manifesto, so to say, is not fully ready, because the white paper is just like the manifesto. No white paper, no buy. Don't mind me, I'm just joking. The white paper here is not opening. The white paper is somewhere you can see the manifesto. Just as I said earlier, you can see their intentions, their targets, and all this, but you can see here it's not opening. Also on the sites here, we couldn't see any people or any faces behind this project. On checking the learn more or about section just over here, which is the second page, we can see a page here, and a question is asked here: what is Meta Capital? That's the coin. So it says here, each MCAP token represents ownership and shared exposure to Meta Capital's profits. You buy MCAP on Ethereum. We invest in DeFi farms, NFTs, and metaverse land. We return the profits to holders through paybacks. Now I don't really find this statement so encouraging. I cannot invest into something I don't even know the people behind the project. It's really funny here. And over the bottom of the page, you can see the token metrics here. Over here you can see that buy fee is 8%. Over here you can also see that the sell fee is 14%. But I've checked the coin on another site, that's on a scanner site over here, and on the token sniffer you can see that the trust score being given to Meta Capital here is 70/100. And over here you can also see that they said that their selling fee is 14%, but you can also see here that he said that they sell at less than 10%. That means this token has a high selling fee, contrary to what is written on the site. The scanner sites also revealed to us just over here that there are no identity or no faces behind the project, which is also a demerit to the project. And the Meta Capital site is only few days old. Checking their Twitter handle, they just registered January 2022. They are having 20 following and 886 followers. And I'm confused here because their location here is showing metaverse, so they are totally trying to hide their identity in all ramification. You can see it here. Here is their Twitter handle, and their posts here, I can't see anything legitimate in it. And back to the site, if you click enter app, all we can see here is a page looking like an investment dashboard. So I don't really know what this is. If I'm to give my score for this coin, I'll be giving it an F. I mean, there are no faces behind the project. The coin has no white paper or manifesto, and it looks scammy and it is quite new. So I advise you make further research before investing into this coin. And if you are new here, as I said before, consider subscribing, hit the notification for more videos, and stay tuned for more of my videos. Thank you.